Hi, it's Elle from BoostNote. This tutorial is about how to change the preview styles with CSS in the preferences page. If you want to change just color theme of the whole UI, editor, or code blocks, please check our first video, How to Change a Color Theme. I put the link in the description below. So, let's get started! Here is my BoostNote app and I open Sample Node. You can see this editor section as well as this preview section. This tutorial is about this preview section, so I will show you how to change these styles. To change the preview styles, you need to go to the preferences page. To do that, you need to click this icon on the top left corner. From the side menu, you need to click the Markdown section. In the Markdown section, you will see this preview style area. Here is the current preview styles, so if you want to change something else, you need to edit this area. For example, if you want to change this blue color link, you need to go to the A tag area. At the A tag area, you can see this color, so you need to change this one. For example, I can say color pink, and after you edit it, you need to click the Save button. And if you close this page, you can see the color of the link is now pink. I will show you another example. Let's try changing heading styles, like here. To do that, you need to find the section of H1 or H2, H3, something like that. This time I put H2 in the note, so let's try to change this area. I will put font style italic. And after you edit it, once again, you need to click the Save button. Now, if you close this preferences page, you can see this heading is now italic style. And of course, you can change the color of these headings too. Let's change the color to purple. And then after you edit it, you need to click the Save button and then close the preferences page. Now you can see headings are purple. But if you want to turn them back to the default one, you can do that too. So let's go back to the preferences page. You will see this Use Default Style button, so click this one and click the Save button as well. Now let's go back to the main page. You can see the whole preview style is now back to the default. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to thumbs up if you like it or find it helpful even a bit. Let us know what kind of tutorials you want to watch in our videos, and we will post regarding that as much as we can. And last but not least, if you found anything inconvenient or good ideas to improve the product, feel free to send us issues and pull requests on GitHub. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one, and have an awesome day. Bye!